Welcome back, Crafting Spirit Boosters. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Improvised Arts and Crafts. Hey, Crafting Spirit Boosters. Welcome back to my channel. Well Wishes Crafting by Miss Janita. Come on in here, have a seat, and let me share with you my goings-ons and what's happening. Well, as you can see, I'm sharing my spring journal. I crocheted, and I still have to add things in there. I have so many projects, so many ideas, so many creations I want to share with you all. And it's taking me a bit of time because I'm trying to do so much at one time instead of trying to concentrate on one or maybe two things at a time. I get to going and thinking about stuff, and just like when you have a thought and you don't want to forget it, you hurry quickly. If you know better, write it down. And I have a lot of notes around here somewhere with lots of thoughts of ideals and creations I have written down on paper. Where they are, I don't know, because you need to know. You need to be organized a little bit and put your stuff where you can find it after you do make things like that, precious ideals, thoughts that you would like to share with folks one day. But anyway, as y'all can see, I'm sharing a couple of crafting tools I bought. I think I got these from Michael. I got a bow maker, which I'm going to be demonstrating soon. I have been decluttering my craft table and rearranging stuff. So eventually, not far in the future, pretty soon, I'm going to be sitting up here at the table and sharing with you guys how, using my newly purchased bow maker. And also I got this item here, spin and string. I don't know how to use it yet, but in a video, we're going to try and figure it out together. So that'll be exciting. Do any of you guys possess one of these spin and string? If so, let me know in the comments. And if any of you have one of these bow makers, or if you're already good at making bows without a bow maker, say so in the comments. So it's just Miss Janita coming through, sharing with you my goings-ons and what's happening, that this is what's going on and what's going to be happening in the future. And I just want to say, be patient with me getting around to all of you guys' channel. I know I am slower than a snail. I have a few channels that I have my gardening channel, this channel, and my grocery channel. You guys are invited. You are welcome to join if you want to. And I have to visit all the subscribers on each channel that, you know, support my channel. I try my best to get around and support everybody else's channel. It's a big deal, and it's lots of work. So this is a dang job. If any of you guys didn't know that, if you are a content creator making videos to share with your subscribers, then they would like for you to come and support their channel. You know, when you get more than 50, it's a job, it's work. Then you can also start being paid once you reach, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or if you get 10 million views from creating short content, the little short videos. That's a lot. In the beginning, that was easy pleasy, but once the paycheck started coming in for it, the views aren't as many like that as it was in the beginning. You could get a whole bunch of views in the beginning of that journey, but now forget that. YouTube not doing that no more. You got to earn it. Everything on here you got to earn. It's a journey, it's a challenge, but it's something that, you know, if you're willing to do, you accomplish it soon. It takes longer for some of us than others, because some channels are promoted and A lot of channels, they do stuff that a lot of people, find interesting, funny, talented, useful, and they like the entertainment. I try to be entertaining over here. Like a lot of my crafts, I don't share how I make them because it would be too time consuming. And besides, I'm not using patterns, so you can't can't is an impossible word, but if you can follow me, but hey, it's struggle because I tuck, nip, snap, snatch, pull, ratchet, what is it, shade tree mechanic doing over here on this crafting channel. Nothing, no pattern. I'm just doing it by what's in my head and what come out through my hands. So don't get mad at me if Miss Janita don't share everything that I make, how I made it, and whatever. I hope that you are being entertained after the project is being shared with you, like my little dolls, my little journals, my other creations, and I was doing stories, but now stories aren't free anymore. If you like to hear any of my stories, I know I'm not a professional storyteller, but I try my best to come up with something entertaining, and if you are enjoying that, a donation to this channel ain't gonna hurt Miss Janita. I don't know how you could donate to me. Let me see. Since this channel is not being paid by YouTube or sponsored by YouTube, and I'm not getting paid on this channel yet because I don't have the 4,000 watch hours, nor do I have 1,000. I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet either. So, oh, I have my PayPal if you want to make a donation, because I love to do stories, but hey, that's another thing in itself, because me sharing stories and you share your story and then somebody take your idea and they go make money off of it. So hey, if you want to hear some my stories, a donation would not hurt. But I do have stories already out here on my crafting channel. Feel free to watch those. Some of y'all remember Ragdoll. Oh, dang, I'm going blank in my head. This virus, I'm telling y'all, this virus, my side effects. I don't know if y'all all know, when I was missing in action, I had got sick. I'm still recovering from that. And brain freezes are continuous over here. But yeah, so I am, well, y'all remember Ragdoll? And during Halloween, I created a whole, like a little movie. It's in my playlist if y'all want to check that out. And then I have my Granny Chronicles. Y'all want to check that out when I did my little story with that. I love doing that, entertaining, just sharing stuff. It's fun. It's exciting. And I don't care what y'all no, I don't mean it like that. I don't care what you go through. You are still blessed, and you're able to keep going on and defeat your challenges. Don't give up. Keep striving. It'll be done eventually. It won't come as soon as you would like it, but you gotta keep on making it happen. Don't give up on any of your projects or whatever you're trying to succeed in. Don't stop. Keep going. As far as I'm talking about here on YouTube, not your personal life. I'm talking about as far as a crafter, content creator. Don't give up and be discouraged because you don't have a lot of subscribers, or it's taking forever to get your 4,000 watch hours, because it took me forever too on one of my channels to do it. And it's a iffy and a maybe thing too, because you can get there, but it ain't like you'll be making no hundreds of $1,000s. You have to be very, very popular and get at least 10,000 or more views to make a decent income, because some people, they have big old channels and they do very well. But just don't give up. Keep striving and creating and sharing your content. And don't forget to invite people. You can't just sit there and, like, I know some of y'all say, well, Miss Judy, you ain't been in my channel in a while. That's because I am, like, be patient with me. If I haven't been to your channel in a while, that's all right. I'll just look through my playlist, my my crafting friend playlist and go from there. And go and check out the friends that are constant, that come, every so often. I'm not going to worry about the ones that haven't been coming at all, because hey, this is a back and give and take thing. You haven't been to my channel either, but we can't put no blame on nobody, because we all know we have to visit so many people and it's a lot of work. So if you don't have a chance to get here, that's okay. Remember, your audience is more than just your subscribers. So just think of it that way and just keep making your content, keep creating, and remember that you are creating and sharing with other folks that watch your videos too, as well as your subscribers. Don't worry about the ones that don't come back. Just keep on doing you, and just be happy, stay blessed, keep doing a good thing, and everything will be all right. Believe in you. And that's my little testimony for today. I ain't trying to tell nobody what to do. I'm just trying to encourage, uplift, and spirit boost. That's what it's all about. Okay, so like I said, I'll be back in a video demonstrating my bow making tool and the spin and string. I hear this is a difficult one, but I'm gonna try and get the job done, and we're gonna learn together, or I'll probably learn before I come on here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let you go because this is a long video now. I'm sorry about that. But thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Don't forget, people that come through, visitors, looky-loos, trolleys, passy-bys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when any new videos come up, and don't forget to let me know what thumbs up number you are. Thank you, and be blessed. Have a great day. Thank you so much, Crafting Spirit Boosters, for joining me for this episode. Until the next time, happy crafting!